Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can enable XMP on your RAM and your RAM on maximum speed that it supports, actually RAM speed. So how you can check your RAM speed: here go on start, right click and click on task manager, and here you can check it. Here if you go on performance here, and here you're gonna click on memory, and here you will see your speed actually of your RAM here. And we're gonna wait for PC to restart. Here PC restarts. I'm gonna show you right now. So we have to wait a little bit. After your PC restarts, you will see here press F2 or delete to run UEFI setup. So it's similar to that. Enter the BIOS here by pressing delete or the key that it needs to be here. So once we get into the BIOS, here's for asrock. Now here you can find something like OC tweaker here, or on advanced. It can be on advanced. So here we go to OC tweaker. So you go by pressing the arrow keys on left and right and up and down to go here. And here we're gonna go to, you have to find something like DRAM frequency here, and here we're gonna go here. For you it's on automatic, so we're gonna select again, and we're gonna put the highest that it matches your RAM memory frequency, the maximum it can go. And of course this depends on your CPU how much it supports, so make sure that you keep that in mind. And here I'm gonna go for 1600, and after that we're gonna go here on exit, go and exit. But here on OC tweaker here, it's possible that you will have something like XMP. It will say XMP. I don't have that, but for you it's possible that you will have that XMP, and you just go ahead and enable it, and the PC will automatically enable it. But if it doesn't, for some reason, you have to go here on DRAM frequency, and here you have to manually choose the DRAM frequency. And here we're gonna go on exit here and click on and press enter and save changes and exit. And again we're gonna enter in BIOS, and here it will say now here, as you can see, DDR, which DDR it is, and how much speed here. 1600. For you maybe it's 3200 or 3600. Everything is a little bit different. And that's it, how you can enable and make your RAM speed faster, the operating on a faster, the actually RAM speed that you have. If this video was helpful to you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. Bye.